Legacy systems, built with outdated technologies, pose significant challenges today. They lack agility and flexibility, making updates difficult. Poor documentation and scarce skilled developers add to the problem. Organizations must modernize to stay competitive. AI offers a promising solution for legacy system modernization.
Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the landscape of software development, offering innovative solutions to the challenges posed by legacy systems. AI-powered tools provide a powerful means to modernize these outdated systems, breathing new life into critical business operations. One of the most promising applications of AI in this domain is in code translation. AI algorithms can be trained to understand the syntax and semantics of both legacy and modern programming languages, enabling them to automatically translate code from one to another. This eliminates the need for manual code rewriting, saving significant time and resources. Furthermore, AI-powered tools can analyze legacy codebases to identify potential vulnerabilities and security risks. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, these tools can detect patterns and anomalies that indicate potential weaknesses, allowing developers to proactively address them. AI also plays a crucial role in transforming monolithic legacy architectures into more agile and scalable microservices. By decomposing large, complex systems into smaller, independent components, organizations can modernize their systems incrementally, reducing risk and downtime. This approach, often referred to as the strangler fig pattern, allows for a gradual transition to modern architectures while maintaining the functionality of existing systems.
AI-powered tools are revolutionizing the way developers write, debug, and maintain code, leading to significant improvements in productivity and code quality. One area where AI is making a substantial impact is in code generation. Tools like GitHub Copilot, Tabnine, and Amazon Code Whisperer leverage machine learning models trained on vast code repositories to suggest code snippets, functions, and even entire classes based on the context of the code being written. This not only accelerates the development process, but also helps developers adhere to coding best practices and standards. AI-powered debugging tools are also gaining traction, assisting developers in identifying